Now that I am able to edit my drawing, first thing I have to do is I have to get rid of these lines here. And so I will do that one of two ways. I can either select each individual line just simply by clicking on it and pressing delete on the keyboard. I can do that, but it will probably take a little while because there are plenty of lines here. So another way I can do it is I can come up here to this toolbar. I can go to the sketch toolbar and I can see here trim entities. So if I just select that, one click, it'll open up this dialog. Power trim should already be selected. That is the SolidWorks default. And I will say this, you'll likely only ever use power trim. I've honestly never used any of these other ones. Power trim is pretty sweet. All you do is you click and you drag. While I'm holding down that click, and it's going to slice through whatever I drag through. And so I'm going to click and I'm going to drag through all these lines that I want to get rid of. Okay. If, for example, I delete a line that I did not mean to, like this one, I can simply press Control Z and it will put it back in. And so now I'm going to continue to trim through the rest of these lines until I get it to look like that template on Learning Suite where there are no lines to the left of where it says unless otherwise specified. And then to exit that trim tool, all I need to do is either press the trim entities again, or I can press this check mark, this one here, or I can press escape on the keyboard, which is what I normally do. And then the next thing I need to do is I need to start getting rid of these text boxes. And now there are multiple text boxes through here that I will ultimately get rid of. I will get rid of this one first. So it's easy enough, just select it and click on it. And then press delete on the keyboard and it will delete it. So you can do that for all of these. These ones here, the ones that are blue, what those mean is basically if I create a part and I assign a specific material to that part, I say this part is made out of steel or aluminum or ABS plastic, and then I use that part in this drawing, it will automatically populate this box with that particular material. Now that is helpful later on in the course, but for most things that you do in this class, you won't need to do that. So I would just go ahead and delete it manually, just same way, just select it and delete it. And then we'll actually have you, you'll end up typing in the material later on, just manually. Okay. And so that is how to start trimming away lines and text boxes, otherwise known as notes.